Yang Ge. He was born in Singapore Zoo in 2004.
What's that, Kevin?
Shao will explain
What's that?
Maybe that thing will happen like this.
his parents' angel encounter coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator.
What's that?
I just told you I'm not driving.
Kevin, Yosha, what did you see just now?
A jaguar. Hold my hand.
Why you holding him? You scary?
No? Don't hold my hand. It's coming. It's coming. So I'm going to have a feather in this way.